And all of this money and all of this spend just emphasized by Oracle with earlier this hour, a bond sale looking for $15 billion, a 40-year bond, which is pretty rare and a long time period for an environment which who knows what things will look like in 40 years. And the spreads are pretty tight on this
Only
thing.
165 basis points over treasuries, and then they've got a 20-year, they've got a 10-year, they've got a 30-year. This is a company that, at the moment, Bloomberg Intelligence already putting out a react saying this company might have $100 billion in leverage, in debt, going forward. But it has to. We are seeing companies having to get more and more creative about the way in which they raise financing. Look, yesterday, after the bell, we heard from Sam Altman saying, we've got Stargate, 5 new locations. They're across Texas and Middle America and Ohio. What's interesting is he said the financing for these data centers, we've not quite worked out yet. And interestingly, that's where perhaps NVIDIA comes in, because the $100 billion commitment in OpenAI equity, well, the reporting from Shireen Ghaffari is saying that's going to make OpenAI's ability to raise debt easier. They've got a backing from an equity perspective, and now they can get more creative in financing. But look, we're kind of making up this road as we go along. This is the debt market, though, really wanting to get the exposure that the equity market's been getting to this AI trade.
By the way, real circular economy going on here amongst these sort of incestuous giant AI companies.
I buy your equity, you buy my GPUs, that's the way it works.
Exactly. Oracle, by the way, is another company that's almost doubled in market cap so far year to date. Up 88%. It's worth $892 billion.
By the way, one argument, though, of the circularness of it that I saw out there was otherwise someone like an NVIDIA would just be doing stock buybacks or dividends, and maybe it's better that they reinvest it into some of its
their own customers.
Yeah, exactly. Maybe that's a better use of capital.